Magox 400 is a mineral supplement that is used to prevent and treat low levels of magnesium in the blood. It can also be used to treat symptoms of too much stomach acid, such as stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. Magnesium is essential for the normal functioning of cells, nerves, muscles, bones, and the heart. While a well-balanced diet usually provides enough magnesium, certain situations can cause your body to lose magnesium faster than you can replace it from your diet. These situations include treatment with water pills, diuretics such as furosemide, hydrochlorothiazide, a poor diet, alcoholism, or other medical conditions such as severe diarrhea/vomiting, stomach/intestinal absorption problems, and poorly controlled diabetes. It is important to take the recommended daily dosage of Magox 400 at the optimal time for best results. When taking Magox 400, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. It's best to take this magnesium supplement with a meal to reduce stomach upset and diarrhea, unless otherwise directed by your doctor. Make sure to take each dose with a full glass of water, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. If you're taking the chewable tablets, be sure to chew each tablet thoroughly before swallowing. If you're using a liquid product, use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the dose. It's important to take this medication regularly at the same time each day in order to get the most benefit from it. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment, so be sure not to increase your dose or take it more often than directed. Too much magnesium in the blood can cause serious side effects. If you experience symptoms of low magnesium blood levels, such as muscle cramps, tiredness, irritability, or depression, be sure to tell your doctor. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience stomach upset or diarrhea while taking Magox 400, try taking it with a meal to help reduce these effects. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that if your doctor has prescribed this medication, it's because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to Magox 400 is possible. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to remember that this is not a complete list of potential side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Magox 400, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have kidney disease, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Some forms of Magox 400 may contain sugar, aspartame, or alcohol. If you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, liver disease, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you are pregnant, only use this product if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. And always remember, it's important to follow your doctor's recommendations for the best time and dosage for taking Magox 400. When taking Magox 400, it's important to be aware of any possible drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Also, don't start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Certain products such as cellulose sodium phosphate, digoxin, and sodium polystyrene sulfonate may interact with Magox 400. Additionally, magnesium can bind with certain medications, preventing their full absorption. For example, if you are taking a tetracycline-type medication, it's recommended to separate the time of the dose from the time of the magnesium supplement dose by at least 2 to 3 hours. If you are taking a bisphosphonate, a thyroid medication, or a quinolone-type antibiotic, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Lastly, be sure to check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription/herbal products, as they may contain magnesium. You can always ask your pharmacist about using those products safely. If you or someone you know has overdosed on Magox 400 and is experiencing serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include slow heartbeat, severe drowsiness, dizziness, confusion, muscle weakness, and loss of consciousness. It's important to be aware of the signs of overdose and to seek help right away if needed. When taking Magox 400, it's important to have regular medical tests to monitor your magnesium levels and kidney function. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. If you're not sure which magnesium supplement is best for you, ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. In addition to taking the supplement, it's also important to eat a well-balanced diet that includes foods high in magnesium, such as avocados, bananas, beans, whole grain cereals, green vegetables, and nuts. Remember to follow your doctor's recommendations for the best time to take this supplement and the proper dosage for your specific needs. If you forget to take a dose of Magox 400, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to store Magox 400 at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It should not be kept in the bathroom and should be kept out of reach of children and pets. When it is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It is recommended to consult a pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.